How to unban GTA 5 online account. In this video, I am going to show you how to unban GTA 5 online permanent or any ban by unlinking your social club account. Watch my full video to Unban Perfectly. One thing to be noted is that Rockstar support team may not be active due to it being a long time since the game had published. You may need a long time to get a reply from them. For that, you need to log into the social club site. After that, go to social club support, then select social club account and then account linking. Then select unlinking an account from social club. Enter your banned social club name. After that, tell them that you want to unlink your social club account. And submit a web ticket. So remove permanent ban in GTA 5 online. Let's talk about this. I will share the full process. Watch my video till the end. You can also check the description for more details. So let's start. Say to them you want to unlink your account. Note you need to log in with your banned social club account. Two, they will mail you and they need your confirmation. 3, they need some information to prove it's you. For reply via mail to Rockstar Support with 3 information that they want. 5, after some days later they will unlink your social club. 6, create a new social club and link to your Epic GTA 5. 7, after linking it's done. 8, do not forget to subscribe. The process is so simple. You just need to tell Rockstar that you want to unlink your account and then they will mail you. You may need to submit 3 answers. The first one is the social club nickname and associated email address you no longer want to be linked to Epic. The second one is a screenshot showing you logged into Epic, with your Epic profile name and Epic ID clearly visible on the screen. And the last one is confirmation that you understand that unlinking the accounts will result in being unable to play GTA Online as well as GTA 5 with either of these accounts. Submit those three and they will unlink the account from Epic Games and you can reconnect your new social club account. See, I have successfully unlinked my banned account and I am linking it with my new account. I have shown all the emails. You can pause the video and check them. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos.